Would you believe that in order to make $1,000 a day from YouTube Shorts, you would have to generate anywhere between 13 to 15 million views with your YouTube Shorts per day? I mean, who's really doing that? I've noticed a trend that business YouTubers are feeling so betrayed by the high promise of YouTube Shorts, and it was going to generate leads, it was going to get them major viral growth. Well, I guess it does. But the views haven't turned into leads and definitely have not turned into sales. Unfortunately, YouTube Shorts was super hyped up and super promising, and now we're here. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about why the whole YouTuber economy and creator economy is talking shit about YouTube Shorts, and we're gonna unpack the truth. I'd love to know if you're using YouTube Shorts right now. Comment down below, YouTube Shorts yes or YouTube Shorts no, and let me know your experience with it. Now, although we're talking about YouTube Shorts, let me tell you a very important story about my TikTok account just a couple of years ago. This is important because my most viral video ever is on my TikTok account, which I don't even use anymore. But the story goes is that I posted a TikTok video that went mega viral. Like, it got 1 million views in just over 24 hours. No, just under 24 hours. I think it was 23 hours. It hit 1 million views. And within just like a week from that, it hit like 1.9 million views. It was crazy. I was so excited. I'm like, yes, I'm gonna go viral. I'm gonna have 1 million TikTok followers. But most importantly, I was super excited because I had the link in the bio to my masterclass, and I'm like, cool. Everyone's gonna opt in. I'm gonna get hundreds of sales, and this is gonna be a super huge profitable month. Well, the results came in, and guess how many sales we got? Yeah, zero sales. Could you believe that? From over 1 million views on TikTok. That is crazy. And that is why YouTubers are so damn frustrated with YouTube Shorts. It's like what Sean Cannell says with Think Media. He's like, YouTube Shorts are kind of like empty calories. It's like they fill you up, they give your channel the views, and they even help you go viral. But is it sustainable long term? Is it worth your investment of a video editor? Is it building real community with your channel? Is it bringing you leads? And most importantly, are those leads converting into sales? What's up? I mean, is this really happening? Now, really quickly, to break down how a YouTube short goes viral, it all depends on the traffic source, which, you know, if you didn't know already, a YouTube short has a traffic source now with the YouTube Shorts feed. If you go in your YouTube analytics and you go to the traffic sources, you can see the YouTube Shorts is right there. So that was cool. That was kind of the most exciting thing, is like, oh, on top of all the 8 different traffic sources on YouTube, now there's another one. Now there's YouTube Shorts. But the key to going viral is making sure that your short is on that Shorts feed and getting pushed and pushed and pushed, especially to YouTube mobile app users. That is the quickest way to go viral with YouTube Shorts. And so one of the main reasons that YouTubers are talking major shit is because that YouTube Shorts ad revenue does not pay well. It does not pay well at all. I mean, if you take the RPM, which is like the actual take-home money that you earn as a creator from Google AdSense, right? If you take the RPM of a YouTube short, it's like literally pennies, right? On my best video, you can see that the best, that one of my best performing YouTube shorts on the channel has an RPM of $1.48, which is really high because normally your RPM is like 6 cents, 7 cents, something crazy like that. And so you can see for YouTube Shorts that has 94,000 views, I only got paid $138. That's crazy. Now, if that were a long form YouTube video, I guarantee I probably would have made, I don't know, I'm guessing $9,000 or something like that from AdSense. That's crazy. So in general, YouTube Shorts don't pay well. I was also watching another creator who said from a YouTube short that got a whopping 11 million views, that their paycheck for that duration of 28 days was only $528. That's so insanely low for 11 million views. That's absolutely crazy. And so, you know, again, me personally, it's like when I'm scrolling through YouTube, actually, I never scroll through YouTube Shorts. If I ever watch short form content, I gotta admit, it's either on Instagram or TikTok. Whenever I go on YouTube, I never actually watch YouTube Shorts, but hey, a lot of consumers do. But when I have watched YouTube Shorts, I've never subscribed to a YouTube channel. I've never looked in the description. I really never even cared. And even if I saw a YouTube short, I never even saw their long form content later on that was posted on the browse and home feed. Like basically, you know, whoever I was looking at just kind of disappeared. And that's kind of how it is a lot of times with art channels. I think there was an update like recently, a few months ago, or I don't remember when, but YouTube was saying, oh, now we're going to link the short form content to the long form, and we're going to make long form content much more discoverable and visible on the home page of the YouTube channel, which, nah, man, false promises. That is, I have not seen proof of that at all. So now if we evaluate the demographics of who these people are who watch YouTube Shorts, at least what I can say for my channel is that this is a much younger audience, and there's nothing wrong with a younger audience, but historically with the products I sell, the coaching, the programs that I sell, they are people in their mid 30s and in their mid 40s. And so the demographic of people that are actually watching the YouTube Shorts in my audience, like only 5, maybe 8% are actually the ideal avatar. People in the mid 30s, in the mid 40s who actually care about the products that you're selling on the back end of your channel. One viral short I had, I mean, it was so dominant, between 18 to 24 years old was like 80% of the audience, which is absolutely crazy. And again, it's like, it's kind of misleading because it's like, oh yeah, my shorts got 10,000 views within a week, or 100K views, or even 1 million views. And it's like, okay, well, what's that audience worth? I mean, is this piece of content getting in front of people who are actually going to stay with you, become a part of your community, actually buy from you later, want to join your email list, join your newsletter, want to buy your tiny offer or the membership that you're selling on the back end of your channel? Most likely not. I guess one of the advantages of YouTube Shorts now is that in order to hit AdSense for those that are still newer creators on the platform, one of the metrics now is you can become a member of the YouTube Partnership Program if you have 10 million views and 1,000 subscribers. You no longer absolutely need the 4,000 hours of watch time. So that makes it nice as another entryway for new creators to monetize with AdSense faster. And as a matter of fact, let me just back up a little bit because I actually am wrong. A big YouTube update, if you haven't already heard the news, is that now you only need 500 subscribers as opposed to 1,000 subscribers to monetize a channel, which is really cool. I mean, I think that the 4,000 watch hour qualification and the 10 million views from YouTube Shorts should stay the same, because those really are the harder things to achieve anyway. So this is good news if you're still on the road to getting your first 1,000 subscribers and still on the road to monetizing with YouTube AdSense for your YouTube channel. But getting back on this topic of why everyone's talking shit about YouTube Shorts, let me just say, please, no matter how tempting it is, don't ever replace your long form content with short form content. Just don't. That's like a big no. Long form content will always be king. I mean, now those channels who have the format of a video podcast as their YouTube channel have a huge advantage, because those mega long videos, those hour-long videos and 2-hour videos are really what's going to do the heavy lifting with the algorithm. Because although those videos don't have a super high view velocity in the beginning when you first post them, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if one of your long videos gets an 8 out of 10 or 10 out of 10, because that still is going to do the heavy lifting for your channel. Those videos are the ones that are going to get tons of watch time, and watch time is directly related to subscriber increase and view increase, which is directly related to lead generation increase as well. So now you might be just as confused as a lot of us other creators, and you're like, well, what do I do? Do I post shorts? Do I not post shorts? I'm still learning to like shorts and maybe won't ever like them. Well, I guess I'm kind of speaking for myself. Because there are business owners out there and advocates of the short form content. I mean, I know people who are making lots of money from Instagram Reels, from Facebook Reels, and that's their thing. They're like, yes, the Reels and the TikTok, it works for me. So it's all about what you do as a business owner and what you decide to test. It's like you can't knock anything and say something doesn't work unless you try it. For me, short form content has not served well in my business, so that is why I do not focus on it. If we do have the ability to repurpose content and put it into short form, fine. I have always been an advocate of long form. It'll be long form until the day I'm no longer here. But really, I'd love to know any new strategies for lead generation or, funneling people from your short form content to long form content in the comments below. And let's start a discussion because I love to be wrong as well. I love to see when people discover new things. And I think YouTube is honestly trying to clean up their mess when they launched YouTube Shorts back in 2020, I believe it was, to just compete and say they had short form content and short form capabilities to compete with TikTok and all the other short form content platforms. And it's funny because all the other short form content platforms competed so hard to have videos that are long form content. So it's like, what the hell, right? But by the way, if you are a business YouTuber who is looking to manage your channel and scale your revenue and do all the operations of your YouTube channel and cut your working time in half, definitely download our 6-step blueprint. It'll be the first link in the description or this link right here. If you're still here, definitely stick around and watch the video coming up next. It is all about my welcome back video and an explanation of why I was diehard about getting rid of this channel and selling it and what made me change my mind and come back. So click right there. That video comes up next. There is a crazy phenomenon going on with YouTubers right now, between them battling to save their channels, not spiraling into extreme burnout, and doing everything in their